Many people get scared of formulas. Today I am here to help you. I'll make these formulas very easy for you. These are called absolutely not. I will say X may be. They may ask you these kind of questions in your assertion and reasoning. How do you make them equal? Product. You cannot say like this. I told you, as for your comfort, you can change the value of X. How did this formula come? That means BA can be written as AB. This is the formula of. How about taking minus? Can I tell you something? That's going to be your life. You should be crystal clear with your concept. Especially the non-math background, you may get scared of the exam. Small doubt or big doubt? Doubt is a doubt. You have to get it clear. A power m into a power n. Then this is not same as this. A power minus n is equal. I am pushing lot of content into you. If you reached this far, that means you have completed the lecture. Hello winners, a warm welcome to your channel Study with Youth Officer. Today I will teach you what? Algebra. Many people get scared of algebra, formulas, how to remember them, if you forget them, how to deduce them. So you may get confused. Today I am here to help you for all your doubts, and I'll make these formulas very easy for you. Okay, please concentrate. Okay, I will just tell you, from your childhood onwards you might be hearing about X, right? X, Y, Z. You might be wondering, these are the alphabets. So this is not the alphabets. Why we are using this in numbers instead of 1, 2, 3? Why are we using X, Y, Z? Or some A, B, C, D, or like M, N, or P, Q. Like this, many letters in a small case we take to represent the unknown. These are called unknown. So why we need to know the unknown? Because if we don't know something, it is called unknown. So you need to know that. Every time you can't write it as unknown. 2 into unknown is equal to some 10. You don't write it like this. Okay. So for our convenience, we have chose this kind of single letters we use. We can use it like this. 2 into x is equal to 10. What is this x? Who exactly defines the x? X is defined based on your requirement. What is your requirement? Again, it is subjective, based on the sum to sum. So one sum to other sum. Now, if you go here, what is the x value here? 2 into something should give you 10. 2 into something which will give you 10, 5. 2 into 5, no other value will give you 10. Now, x value is, x is equal to 10. Sorry, 5, right? X is 5. X holds only one value? No, absolutely not. If you take x square equal to 25, now what is the x value? You may be wondering, x equal to 5. I will say x may be minus 5 also. Minus 5 whole square is 25. But if you take square root of 25, it will be only 5. If x is equal to square root of 25, then x value should be 5. But if you take here, based on the condition, you have to verify them properly, because they may ask you these kind of questions in your assertion and reasoning. That's why you should be very thorough with this kind of concepts and basics. Okay, now, sir, is it only two values possible? Here two values are there for x. Only one value or two values are possible? No, number of values may be possible. We will take one more example. 0 by x equal to 0. Right? X can be any value. X can be any value, but it should not be equal to 0. It can be 1, 0 by 1 equal to 0 only, 0 by 2 equal to 0 only, 0 by some 1 lakh something will give you 0 only. Now x value can be many except 0. Even if you take sometimes x power 0, here also same, x can't be 0. I already told you many times. Okay. Now, if you put any other value, 1 power 0 equal to 1, 2 power 0 equal to 1, like this many conditions will be coming. Now you know how to find the unknown, right? I will teach you some other examples which will help you in the future. Okay. Before going further multiplication of a plus b whole square and all these formulas, I will teach you some basic properties which I already taught you in previous classes. Okay. What are those properties? Number 1, a plus b is equal to b plus a, always. Example, I will take an example. 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 2. 2 plus 3 is 5, 3 plus 2 is 5. Always it will be equal, it holds good. Okay, so far so good. A minus b, b minus a, these are not equal. How do you make them equal? Easy. A minus b should be equal to b minus a. In order to make them equal to, you should put a minus in front of it. Minus means this is minus 1 into b minus a. If you multiply it, minus 1 into b minus b, minus into minus plus, 1 into a is a. This is a minus b. So far so good. Now third one. A into b will always be equal to b into a. 2 into 3 is equal to 3 into 2. 2 into 3 is 6. 3 into 2 is 6. Equal, right? Now fourth one. You think a by b is equal to b by a? Do you think so? No. A by b is not equal to b by a. What would you do to make them equal? A by b will be equal to b by a only when it is denominator of 1 by something. In order to make it, I already told you formulas, again I am telling, 1 by b, 1 by 1 it is, okay, by b by a. If you have formula a by b by c by d, then it will be equal to a by b into d will be reversed, d by c. Likewise, 1 by 1 into a by b. 1 into a, 1 into b, a by b. Equal, right? So far so good? Yeah. Please make a proper note of this till here, because each and every property I will tell, I will use them in the future. Okay. Now, where we will go? I will teach you some concepts using these unknowns. How do I use the unknowns? You know 2x plus 5x. What is the answer? There are two x's. That means x plus x here. There are 5 x's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total how many x's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the answer is 7x. How did we get 7x? 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5 into x. What is this x means? 2x means 2 into x. Sometimes you can represent with into, sometimes you can represent with bracket, sometimes you can represent with point also. This all meaning product or multiplication you can call. So far so good. Now you know what is the product and how it has come, right? Now I will take this step to further, little more. Let us complicate it some more. Okay. Instead of x, what if I take a plus b? Result will be same. What is same? 2 plus 5. There are 2a plus b's. Here 5a plus b's. Now we have to add a plus b here. 5 times a plus b's we have to add. Total how many a plus b's will be there? 7a plus b's will be there. How did this 7 come from? 7 come from this 2 plus 5 into a plus b. This is how it has come, right? Now you have to take a small note here. Please take a proper note of this. Here 7 into a plus b. What is the meaning of 7 into a plus b? Is it same as 7a plus b? No, this is not equal like that. You cannot say like this. Here 7a means there are 7 a's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 a's are there. And here only 1 b is there. But if you take this one, what is the meaning is 7a plus 7 b's. That means you have 7 a's. A plus A plus A plus A plus A plus A. B7, B plus B plus B plus B plus B plus B plus B. You are counting, right? How many B's I have written or how many A's I have written, right? Counting. You want me to go wrong? No. Correct. Okay. 7a plus 7b. This is how you represent a bracket. The 7 belongs to both of them. Okay. From here I will take you to some other formula. That means if I write x into y plus z, or I won't complicate, instead of 7 I take x into a plus b. Okay. That means what did we say? 7a plus 7b, right? So 7 into a plus 7 into b. X into a plus x into b. So far so good. You understood what is this formula, right? Right? Now instead of this I will write something else. Now I will take p plus q into a plus b. Instead of x you can put p plus q now. I told you, as for your comfort you can change the value of x. Instead of x I placed p plus q. Now a is there, right? A plus p plus q is common for both of them, right? Now again p plus q into b. This is how, if two multiplications are there, this is an addition, this is an addition. If you multiply both of them, how you have to divide them? This is how you divide. After this, what would you do? Either there is one formula, I will tell right away. If you take A into B plus C, how it can be written? A is common for B plus C. A into B we will take first. A into B plus A into C. Sir, if A is not here, it is like this. First addition came, then followed by multiplication. How do you take? Now C is common for both of them. Now you can take A into C, these two, then plus B into C. Already I told you one more form is you can write this as A into B or B into A also in multiplications. Just before this I have discussed the same. Instead of A into C you can write it as C into A also. Here also same, A into C or C into A plus B into C or C into B. Good. Now you know how to multiply them. Now please come here. Now how can we multiply this? This is in the form of this. P plus Q into A plus B into C. Now how do I write? P into A plus Q into A plus P into B plus Q into B. This is how you divide. Okay. So far so good. We started with this formula, right? 2x plus 5x equal to 7x. This is how we started, right? 7x means what did I say? What did I say? 2 plus 5 into x. Now I will take, instead of x, I will take a plus b. Plus b equal to 5 into a plus b is equal to 2 plus 5 into a plus b. Now instead of 2 I will put a, instead of 5 I will put b. Now we will see how the formula changes. A into a plus instead of 5 we can put b, a plus b, that is equal to, instead of 2 we can put a plus instead of 5 it is b into a plus b. Now this is in the form of x into x, that is equal to x square, that is equal to a plus b whole square. Do you remember the formula a plus b whole square? What is the formula? A square plus 2ab plus b square. How did this formula come? I will show you. Okay. Shall I show? Please come here. A plus b into a plus b. This is what you have supposed to take, right? Now you can divide it, right? How did we divide here? Like this. Then this formed into this form. Now I will take this form. What is this form? A into a plus b plus b into a plus b. So far so good. Now a into a plus a into b. How did I write? I wrote from this formula. A belongs to b, a belongs to c, a belongs to a belongs to b, a into a into b. So far so good? Good. Plus b into a plus b into b. I told you a into a square plus a into b is ab plus b into a is ba plus b into b square. But I told you a into b can be written as b into a. Similarly, b into a can be written as a into b. That means ba can be written as ab. I will substitute the same. AB plus BA can be written as AB plus B square. A square 1AB 1AB total 2AB. 2AB plus B square. This is the formula of A plus B whole square. Got it? From your childhood, you might be studying A plus B whole square equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB, or A square plus 2AB plus B square. Anything you can write. How is the deduction? You enjoyed? So, this is how many people get confused. How to divide them into this, or again how to break them. Especially this kind of breaking is very difficult for many of you. I will show one more example here. Breaking, because a plus b both are similar. What if you take some other number like a plus b into c plus d? How do you break this kind of numbers? You can take two ways you can break it. Okay, please concentrate properly. I will explain right away. You can break this into different ways. First, I will consider this as common to both of them. Later, I will consider this as common to both of them. Okay. First method 1, M1. Now, I am considering this as common to both of them. If it is common to both of them, you know this formula, right? This is in the form of A plus B into some C. Similarly, A into C plus D plus B into C plus D. This is how you break it. What is the answer? AC plus AD plus BC plus BD. What if I take method 2? Now I will consider A plus B as common for C plus D. That means some A into B plus C. How do I divide? A plus B belongs to C, A plus B belongs to D also. A plus B into C plus A plus B into D. You can write either ways. Now A into C is AC plus B into C is BC plus A into D is AD plus B into D is BD. Now we will verify they both are same or not. AC is there, AC is there, AD is there, AD is there, BC is there, BC is there, BD is there, BD is there. So either way if you do, answer will be same. Sir, if you take plus, you have done like this. How about taking minus? What would you do? Shall I explain that also? I'll explain that as well. If you take A plus B only here, what if I take C minus D? How do you write them? First, I will consider C plus D as common to both of them. A into C minus D plus B into C minus D. This is method 1. I will take method 2 also. In method 2, what will I consider? I will take A plus B as common to C minus D. A plus B into C. Now you have to take minus here. A plus B into D. A into C is AC minus AD plus BC minus BD. Okay. In this, A into C is AC plus B into C is BC minus A into D is AD minus into plus minus B into D is BD. Okay. Now we will see whether the terms came or not. AC is there, AC is there, minus AD is there, minus AD is there, BC is there, BC is there, minus BD is there, minus BD is there. Now sometimes you may get confused. What if both are minus? What if both are minus? How do you do that? I will tell that form also. Because, can I tell you something? These basics, each and everything I'm telling you, you might have got confused from your childhood. I don't want any more confusion when you are writing the exam, when you are applying for a competitive exam, because that's going to be your life. When it is your life, you have to be very careful. You should not have even a single confusion, a small atom of confusion also should not be there. You should be crystal clear with your concept. That's why each and every, because especially the non-math background, you may get scared of the exam. That's why I wanna remove all these doubts from your head. Please concentrate here. A minus B into C minus D. If there is a minus sign, you will get confused. I'll tell you two methods. Method 1, method 2. Method 1, I'll consider C plus D as common. A into C plus D, I'm saying, C minus D. Now minus is there, minus B into C minus D. Method 2, I will take A minus B as common. A minus B is common to both C minus D. Okay, into C, this minus will come here. Okay, now again A minus B into D. Only D we will take, not minus, because we already took minus. This is why I am telling you. This may confuse you little more. A into C is AC minus A into D is AD minus B, this is plus, C has minus into plus minus, B into C is BC, minus into minus plus, B into D as BD. Clear? Now A into C is AC minus B into C as BC minus A into D as AD. Here minus into minus plus, B into D is BD. Whether you use the method 1 or method 2, answer should be one and the same, right? Now you see, AC is here, AC is here, AD is here, minus AD is here, minus AD, minus BC, minus BC, BD, BD. Clear? Good? Okay. Now, I will go into formulas. Hope you are clear with your concepts. If you are not clear, if you have any slight doubt, okay, please comment. I am here to help you. Okay, small doubt or big doubt, doubt is a doubt. You have to get it clear. Number 1 formula, a power m into a power n directly equal to a power m plus n. You have to add the powers. Base should be same. Base should be same. What do you mean by this? 2 power 2 into, I'll take 2 power 3. 2 power 3 into 2 power 4. You are multiplying 2 in 3 times. 2 into 2 into 2, 3 times. Then here 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Total how many 2s are there? 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 power 7. Now you have to write 2 power m plus n means 3 plus 4, 7. You need not to do all this. Directly you can substitute 7 there. You can put the answer as 7, 2 power 7. Hope you are clear with this. Number 2. A power m by a power n is equal to, if it is multiplication you will put plus sign. If it is a division, same base, division, then you put minus. 2 power 4 by 2 cube. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 by 2 into 2 into 2. 2, 2 one time, 2 one time, 1 time, 1 time, 1 time. Denominator is 1, numerator is 2, 2 power 1. If you take the formula directly, 2 power 4 minus 3, that is equal to 2. You might be thinking, sir, why do we need a formula? Directly we can write like this. What if they give you 2 power 267 by 2 power some 167? Can you write like this and cancel everywhere? No. Directly you just write 2 power 267 minus 167. Answer is 2 power 100. I hope you are very comfortable. Right? Chalo. Now, next formula. A power m into b power m. Now bases are not equal, powers are equal. That time you write directly ab or a into b, directly you can write whole power m. This m can come to both of them. 2 power 3 into 3 power 3, that is 2 into 3 whole power 3. Directly you can multiply. Okay. Fourth one, a power m by b power m. Directly you can write it as a by b whole power m. Shall I write this? How it will come? 2 cube is how much? What is the answer? 8 into 3 cube is 27. If you multiply this, 7 7 7 8, how much? 56. 16 plus 5, 216. This is 2 3s are 6. 6 cube. 6 cube means 6 into 6 into 6. Already I told you cubes. 2 cube is 6 cube is. Did I tell you cubes? No? 6 into 6. 36. This is 6 into 6. 36 3 18. So both are one. Always it will be equal. If you want to take a example for this, I will give you as well. Okay. If you take 4 power 3 by 2 power 3, what will be the answer? First we will calculate this. 4 power 3 means 4 into 4 by 2 into 2 into 2. Right? 2 times, that is 3 2s. 2 into 2 into 2 cube. Okay, we will take the formula and we will write accordingly. Directly we can write as per the formula 4 by 2 whole power 3. 2 times, this is 2 cube. Both are one and the equal, right? This is the formula. Okay, you need not to by heart, but you can see the pattern and you can remember obviously. Okay. Some of the formulas, whenever I am explaining some sums, I already explained you. One more formula. What is the formula? A power m whole power n. This is equal to a power m n. That is m into n. Or directly write mn. What is this, sir? 2 power, I will write 3 power. 3 power 2 whole power 4. Okay? Whole power 4. Whole power 4. First you have to solve this, then you have to solve this. Or directly you can put a formula. What did I say? 2 into 4. 2 power m into n, right? So 3 power 8. Or if you take 3 square into 3 square into 3 square into 3 square, as for this formula you can add all the powers because bases are same. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. 4 2s 8. Always will be one and the same. But there is a caution here, you be careful. If someone writes, if you don't put this bracket and you write 3 square whole power 4 not, power 4, then this is not same as this. This will give you what is the answer, 3 power, 2 power 4 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. This is 3 power 16, not 3 power 8. Please make a proper note of this. Come here, I will tell some more. Nth root of a power m. How do you write it? A power m, direct formula I will write. I will show you how it has come. Okay. You have to write a power m by n. How do we write like this, sir? Because this is a power m. Nth root means I told you 1 by n you have to write on the top of the power. A power m whole power some n. A power you have to multiply these two powers. Right. Now I have to multiply m into 1 by n. That is equal to a power m by n. This is how you get a formula like this. What if m is equal to 1? Nth root of a power 1, that is nth root of a. You know this, right? A power whole power 1 by n. Eighth one, a power 0 is equal to 1. A should never be equal to 0. Okay. Ninth one, a power minus n is equal to 1 by a power n. How did we get this formula? Okay. Shall I deduce that? Come on. How did I get that? I'll put a 0 in front of this. 0 minus n. That means minus n only, right? A power m minus n. A power m minus n means a power m by a power n. Now I will write this as a power 0 by a power n. We already know a power 0 equal to 1. 1 by a power n. This is how you get formula. What if I write instead of n, if I put minus 1, minus n, say 1 by a power 1, that is 1 by a. A inverse also sometimes they read it as a inverse or a power minus 1. A inverse means directly it will come to a will come to denominator 1 by a. So far you are comfortable with all the formulas, I feel, right? You are clear with whatever the part of this algebra, the basic part. Okay, in the advanced number system I will take a lot of examples and I explain you, but these are the basics you are supposed to learn. There are some more formulas I will teach you in the next class. This class might be little more, I am pushing a lot of content into you, but you have no other option. You can watch this as a single go, or if you reached this far, that means you have completed the lecture. Thank you so much. Happy learning and have a nice day.